The science of mantras. In the beginning, there was sound, not just any sound, but a vibration so powerful that it shaped the universe itself. For centuries, sages discovered a secret. Sound is energy, and when harnessed correctly, it can transform reality. Mantras, sacred syllables designed to resonate with the cosmos. But how do they work? Every sound creates a vibration. When we chant a mantra, its frequency resonates within us, aligning our mind and body. Mantras stimulate specific energy centers or chakras, unlocking hidden potential. Sound vibrations are believed to harmonize with universal energies, amplifying the effect of the intention. Science reveals that rhythmic chanting activates the parasympathetic nervous system, calming the body, reducing stress, and enhancing clarity. It slows brain waves, moving us from chaos to deep focus and creativity. Chanting mantras in a rhythm can stimulate the vagus nerve, which calms the body and mind. This reduces stress, allowing one to focus better on their goal. Repetition of mantras can shift the brain from active beta waves to relaxed alpha waves, which enhances creativity and problem solving abilities. Repeated chanting helps form new neural pathways, reinforcing positive beliefs and behaviors aligned with the goal. Mantras reduce cortisol levels, mitigating fear and self doubt, which often block goal achievement. Like a muscle, the brain changes with repetition. Mantras create new neural pathways, strengthening positive thoughts and eliminating doubts. When a mantra is chanted with a specific goal, the mind focuses on that intention, channeling mental and emotional energy towards the desired outcome. And here, the law of attraction works. Positive thoughts and vibrations generated during mantra align the practitioner's energy with the goal, increasing the likelihood of manifestation. Each mantra has a purpose. Om connects us with universal energy. The Gayatri mantra sharpens intellect, and healing mantras balance the body. Studies have shown that mantra chanting reduces anxiety, improves focus, and enhances overall well being, which indirectly supports goal oriented behavior. Mantras are seen as tools to invoke divine or cosmic assistance, adding a metaphysical dimension to their effectiveness. The collective belief in the power of a mantra strengthens its physiological and energetic impact. Studies show that chanting mantras improves memory, reduces anxiety, and enhances emotional balance. Mantras are not magic, they are resonance, energy, and focused thought working together. Want to change your life? change your vibration. The right mantra can be the key. Chant, believe, transform.